Hi, I'm going to show you how to embed a file from Google Drive into a Google site. It is really simple to do, and one of the great uses of this is the connection is live, meaning if you go in and edit the document that you've embedded in your Google site in Google Drive, the changes will be reflected in both places, both in your Drive and on your website. So it takes out a step of having to go into your website and actually make changes to those documents or presentations or spreadsheets or drawings or whatever you decide to embed. So it's a really super easy process, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure the shared settings on the file I want to embed are correct. So I'm going to go ahead and click up here, and this is the presentation that we're going to use to embed. And I'm just going to click on shared, and I'm going to make sure that I've got the shareable link on, and I'm just going to say that anybody can view, and there's the website. All we need to do right now is just make sure those settings are correct. Now, this is something that I'm just going to share in the district, but if there's something that you want to share out to the wider world, you can change that to public on the web, and that means anybody can find it and view it. So with that done, I'm going to hit done, and then I'm going to come back over here to my website. So now that I know my shared settings are correct, I'm going to go ahead and embed this. So I need to navigate to the page that I want to embed this into or create the page. So I'm going to start by creating a page, which is right up here, and I'm just going to click this little plus sign, and I'm going to name the page. So I'm going to say test page, and I'm going to leave everything the same as it is default and hit create, and it'll take it just a second. And then this is my test page. So I can now go in here and edit. If I like it just the way it is and I don't want to put anything else on here, I can hit save, and this is what it's going to look like to everybody out there in the internet. So now that I have my page, I want to edit this. So to edit this page, I'm going to come up here to this little pencil, and I'm going to click on that. And now I have lots of different options. I have my formatting bar and my menu bar, and I can change what I have on this page. So I'm going to go to Insert, and over here to the right you'll see Drive, and then I get Options. So what I'm going to put on this page is a presentation. So I'm going to click down here, and it's going to bring me some options. And I know that this is the one I want, so I'm just going to click on it once and make this blue down here. And then I'm going to click on down here where it says select. And so it gives me some options. I can click these on or off. It's completely up to you. I can change the size. So I'm going to make this medium. Then I'm going to hit save. And right now it doesn't look like there's anything there. That's because I'm still in edit mode. I can change the alignment. So I'm going to put this in the center. I do have some settings that takes me back to this. And then I hit save, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to this big blue save button and hit save, and this will take me to the live view, and so I can see that my presentation is now embedded in this page. If I go over here and make an edit within this presentation, remember that change will be reflected on this page as well. So remember, to do this, all I have to do is go to the page, click edit this page, go to insert, and then over here to Drive, and I have all the options right here. So it's a great way to streamline information between a document in your, or a file in your Google Drive, and where you have it embedded on your site.